It's 2023 and we are in the world of artificial intelligence. The level of intelligence demonstrated by artificial intelligence, AI, varies depending on the specific application and the type of AI being used. In some cases, AI can perform tasks that would be considered highly intelligent for a human, such as recognizing patterns and making predictions based on large amounts of data and so on. One of such AI tool which is in so much limelight these days is ChatGPT. It is a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It's a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture and is specifically designed for generating human-like responses to text-based inputs. The model has been trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet, and it uses deep learning algorithms to generate its responses. ChatGPT is capable of answering questions, generating stories, poems, and jokes, and even translating text from one language to another. It's being used in various applications, including customer service, virtual assistants, and entertainment. The model's ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it a valuable tool for companies and developers looking to create conversational AI solutions. In this video we will explore the depths of ChatGPT over different parameters and will find out what it's really capable of doing. So without wasting a moment, let's get started. Let's start with literature. I tried giving ChatGPT to write a poem in which there is a boy and a mountain, the sunset and the new year, a beach and a desert and some rain clouds. Which doesn't make any sense, right? Let's see how ChatGPT handles it. And it's actually able to come up with something. Let's see what it is. A boy and the mountain. A boy stood atop the mountain, watching the sun set red. The year was old, the new one near, with promise yet unsaid. Beneath him lay a beach of sand, where waves danced to and fro. And far beyond, a desert lay, hot and dry as snow. But up above, the rain clouds gathered, dark and full of might. And as the sun disappeared, the boy felt a cool, refreshing light. For though the world below was dry, the mountain felt the rain. And as the boy stood there, he knew he'd never be the same. For from that moment, he realized, his spirit could soar higher than the highest peak, beyond the desert's roar. So as the new year dawned, he set his sights on greater things. With the sun, the sand, the desert, and the rain clouds all as his wings. That was kind of stupid. Right, there is a desert and it rains there and the boy stood there and then there is dawn and then there is sun in the picture. Although we asked a stupid poem in the first place, and considering that, we can say it came up with a pretty stupid poem. Next, let's ask GPT to write a story, and this time we want a story of a lion and a leopard, some trees and ocean. It came up with a pretty big story considering a stupid topic, and let's see what it is. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a lion and a leopard. They were not the best of friends, often bickering and competing with each other, but they managed to coexist in the same habitat. One day, while they were out hunting, they stumbled upon a clearing with towering trees. The branches of the trees reached out to the sky, and the leaves rustled softly in the gentle breeze. The two predators were awestruck by the beauty of the place, and they decided to take a break from their hunting and explore the clearing. And then voila, 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 and in the end, the lion and the leopard were no longer just predators but also friends. They roamed the jungle together, explored new territories, and admired the beauty of nature. See the pattern in both poem and story. It started with something, then eventually things got really bad, and at last it came up with a happy ending. Quite clever. Now, let's move to the mathematics section. I asked GPT a maths question which is quite advanced, and with the question I passed the options along. Let's see what it came up with. It says let the angle of rotation be theta. The components of the vector A with respect to the original system can be related to its components with respect to the new system using the transformation equations. And then it used it to find value of P, and what lied came up with the correct answer. That's amazing. It passed the maths test. Great work, GPT. Time to take things to the next level. Hey GPT, throw me a joke in German that has a lady and a lion. It certainly came up with something, and let's find out what it is. What do you call a woman who makes a lion dance? A mother lion. Does it made you laugh? I leave the judging to you this time. Now let's ask GPT some general knowledge questions and try to confuse it. Hey GPT, how can I tell a person who is blind that he is looking good? It took some time, but then it came up with the right answer. Let's take it to a level further and ask something like this. Holy, it got stuck for a long time, and then it came up with something like this. That is right, GPT, but you took way too much time, right? Next, let's try to prove ChatGPT wrong over some proven facts, and let's see its reaction. So I asked GPT who was the first president of America. Now let's say something like, no, you are wrong, the first president was Donald Trump. It remained adamant, but I am not done. That's okay, who cares, just be cool. Yes, we are friends again. Next stop, entertainment. Let's ask ChatGPT some TV series questions which are rather tough to answer. So I asked GPT what was the name of Chandler's grandfather in series Friends. And it says in the television series, Friends, Chandler Bing's grandfather was named Charles Bing. Holy, it answered that. Okay, then what was the name of Joey's grandfather? It took some time, but it came up pretty well. Maybe it's easier if the character is lead or is somehow related to lead as such. Let's ask GPT who is this guy in Friends. Hey GPT, who sold encyclopedia to Joey? Man, he is right again, this guy sold encyclopedia to Joey and his name was never revealed in the series. That's it, that's all for now. Hope you have enjoyed your time. Exploring GPT was a lot of fun. It passed in all tests, it came up with stupid poems, solved maths for us, made us laugh, told us who was Joey's grandfather and whatnot. So if you like our content, just hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and we will be back soon with more such amazing content. Till then, take care.